Hello travelers, welcome to the Audinovo channel. As China's visa policy is becoming opener, an increasing number of travelers from around the world are choosing China as their travel destination. However, some may not be familiar with the payment methods in China. In this video, we will offer tips to help you adapt to China's payment methods more quickly and effectively. You might have heard that China has become a cashless society. Indeed, with the rapid development of technology, more than 80% of daily transactions occur on mobile phones. From small shops and restaurants to shopping malls and big supermarkets, you can pay for everything by scanning a QR code or providing a payment code to be scanned. However, for first-time visitors to China, using mobile payment services can be complicated, yet it is the most popular way to pay. So, how can you use it like the locals? First, download the apps. Almost every phone in China has these two super multifunctional apps, WeChat and Alipay. You can download the apps from the App Store or their official websites. Besides being a payment tool, WeChat is also an instant messaging app similar to WhatsApp, so you can use it not only for payments but also to communicate with your local tour guide and your Chinese friends. However, if you choose Alipay, you may not be able to communicate through it, as Alipay primarily provides payment services, similar to PayPal. After downloading WeChat or Alipay, you need to sign up for an account. There are some differences between the two apps at this step. For WeChat, you should sign up with your phone number or a Facebook account, but for Alipay, you can sign up with an email address or phone number. If you choose to sign up with a phone number, please make sure the number can receive the confirmation code. Now you are just one step away from making payments with WeChat or Alipay. The last step, bind your cards to the apps. In WeChat, go to the Me section and tap Wallet. Then choose Bank Card. Enter your bank card number and complete the verification by following the instructions from WeChat. In Alipay, simply tap Me and Bank Card to bind your cards. After binding your cards, you can use WeChat Pay and Alipay in most situations. If you cannot bind your card to your Alipay account, or if some small restaurants and stores cannot accept international transactions through Alipay, you can opt to use the TourCard service. Search for the TourCard program in Alipay and click on the button. Complete the verification field with your passport or ID number. Then load funds into your TourPass account. You can start using it now. Okay, now your phone is fully set up for a convenient payment method, where you only need to scan the QR code when purchasing items. However, some travelers may still be hesitant to use mobile payments. Don't worry, cash and bank cards are also accepted in China. You can find currency exchange offices in most international airports, upscale hotels, and ports. Additionally, you can exchange some cash with your passport at a local bank. However, due to the popularity of mobile payments, paying with cash can be inconvenient in certain situations. For instance, when taking a taxi, the driver might not have enough change. Therefore, we highly recommend using WeChat Pay or Alipay. By the way, it's also very convenient to take a bus when using Alipay and WeChat Pay, including Hong Kong and Macau. Regarding your cards, using credit or debit cards for payments isn't very common, so you may find it less convenient in smaller stores. Nevertheless, you can still use credit and debit cards with UnionPay, Visa, MasterCard, and other major bank logos to make purchases in larger supermarkets in major cities. Now, you must know about payment methods in China and decide what kind of payment method you will choose for your China trip. If you have any questions about payment in China, please contact us or click the link in the description for more information. You can also ask your questions in the comments, and we'll answer them as soon as possible. Here is the Audinovo channel. See you in the next video.